Hey guys, Dan from HouseWashingHeroes. Been getting a few questions lately about what we use to wash homes with and external property cleaning, and we have actually been using lately this HouseWash mix that we get from Gordon and his team at Blue Tongue Industries down in Melbourne, and it's been working a treat. So it's environmentally safe, and it helps really bring out, it helps paint really pop when we add that to the bit under 1% or so of sodium hypochlorite, otherwise known as chlorine. So this is what we've been using, been getting great results, so thanks guys down at Blue Tongue Industries. And the other thing we add to it is Gordon also offers this sticky blue, and what we do is we add a bit of this into the HouseWash mix, and it helps it stick to the wall on the vertical surface. So if you have any questions about what we use to wash homes or buildings, give us a call. We can send through the MSDSs for this, and happy to answer any questions that you have. But so far, results have been great.